Let me record. Okay. So let's get started, guys. Don't waste time into these things. Chaliye. So what is the next we have? Ah, bhai. Prime number logic. One of the most popular interview question. Next one is definition of a prime number mathematicians, which has only what are those? One and itself. Agree? So logic wise, how do we find out? Say number is given. Say one of the number which is prime. Can you please help me in double digit? Prime number? Logic. Logic. You are telling definition. Definition wise, a number which is divisible by either itself or 1. So from 1 till 11, in between whatever numbers are there, it should not be divisible by any of them. Then it is a prime number. Now you have to apply your logic. Let me. Starting from. Ha 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 ha. We should start from where? 1. Where should we start finding out? 1. Pakka? What are you going to evaluate from 1? Say, for example, let me write the code. As of now, I'm writing 1. We'll see later. Less or equal to 11. Num. Then, if at all, I. चलो ठीक है. Num. Then count plus plus. Else, don't do anything. Okay, fine. Next. When the loop ends. So outside the loop, if inside the loop, outside the loop, inside the loop, inside the loop, if pardon, count also we will take a 1 minute. Boolean variable. Which one you want? Integer. Take it. Num is there. Count, which is equal to 0 was there. Then you have taken another variable. C. If condition is this, then C++. Then okay. Any other logic? Yes, madam. Harshita. Shall I wipe the board? Next, I value start with 1. Okay, 1. Done. Next. 1 or 2? Sure. Chaliye. We are in track. I is less than num. Fine. Next. Perfect. So basically, she is starting from this point, going till this point. Next. If num mod of I is equal to 0, that means completely divisible somewhere, then count value increment and break it. Close the for loop. If then prime, else not a prime. And you also have the same logic? Huh? Hmm? Hmm? Here you will do also to check. Chaliye. Any other, almost similar to what madam was telling. Any other logic? Very good, man. Super. So if I consolidate all of your answers, we reach to the optimal solution. Let me hear if anybody saying online. Num divided by I. Viresh. Thank you, Viresh. Chaliye. Shall I explain now? Those who didn't understand what is going on, now let's start. Chaliye. Let me write down the numbers. It will be easy for me to explain. बताना पड़ेगा. Sir, funda is, if at all any number which is not divisible by, sorry, a number which is divisible by 1 or a number which is divisible by 11. Apart from this, it should not be divisible from any other number. Am I clear? Makes sense to you? A number is said to be prime when it is divisible by either itself or 1. Apart from these two numbers, it should not be divisible by any other number. Then it is said to be louder prime number. Perfect. मिर्जापुर देखा ना अभी recently, इसलिए चलो फंडा. Few basic steps, two approaches. I mean, when discussing with you, I found two approaches. Few people starting from 1, going till given number. Everywhere, wherever it is divisible, check the count. If it is coming 2, then it is prime, else it is not a prime. Two situations I'm telling. First approach is what? Start with the first number, go till the given number. Wherever it is divisible, increment the count. Outside, if it is divisible by only two numbers, 1 and itself, then it's a prime number. Logic is correct. Agree? Second logic. People are starting from this point and going one step before this. So I'm starting from a number which is not supposed to be divisible. I'm stopping at the number which is not supposed to be divisible. In this range, is it supposed to be divisible anywhere? If count remains 0, prime number. Logic. Both the approaches are correct. First approach says start from 1, go till the actual number. It should be divisible by two numbers. Done. Count should be 2. Then it's a spawn. Then it's a prime number. Second logic says don't start from a number which is supposed to be divisible. Start from a number which is not supposed to be divisible. Stop before the actual number so that any number in between this, if it is not divisible at all, then it's a story over. Here count should be equal to 0. Then it's a prime number. Agree? Most important logic. Anna said, sir, don't even go. Ho kya raha hai bhai? Get in, man. Yaar, come on time tomorrow onwards. What's your name, buddy? Shravan. Shravan, right? Shravan Kumar. You look like also Shravan Kumar, man. You know the story of Shravan Kumar? Good, very good. Be like one man. By the way, he said, sir, don't even go till num. This is our num, right? Arey, come on. This is the value of a num variable and we are starting from 1. But consider we are starting from 2. I mean, better, less number of iteration, better the code for us. Why to have these two and another comparisons? Let's not even discuss that. will start from where it is not supposed to be divisible. Agree? He is saying, sir, don't go till num. You stop checking by num by 2 itself. Why? Let's apply the logic. Say, for example, I want to check for 12. Agree? Let's take 11 only. Easy for us. Is it divisible? No, not divisible, not divisible, not divisible, not divisible. If it is not divisible by this number also, then you check 7 into 2 is how much? 6 into 2, how much? Already out of the range now. See, if it is in the table, at least double should be coming. Are you getting my point? Am I clear? So basically, if you have reached till half and never divisible, then don't worry, rest of the part also will not be divisible. Are you getting my point? Everybody, say for example, I have taken a number 10. Start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Let me check. Is it divisible by? Yes. Yes. Suppose none of them are divisible here. Consider. If it is not even divisible by 5, consider. If, then no need to check for 6, because 6 into 2, 12. 5 into 2, 10. So you should check condition till half of the given number, because rest of the number, if you multiply by 2, that anyway exceeded the range. Are you getting my point? Scenario is num by 2, you check it, you check the start your condition more than 1 and goes till num by 2, because after that, if you multiply any number with 2, say 6 into 2, 12, anyway out of the range, answer will not come. Agree? Why are we unnecessary checking for these areas? Is it really required? Say 7 into 2, 11 gonna come? Never. 8 into 2, 11 will not come. 9 into 2, 11 will not come. 10 into 11 will not come. Why are we checking it? Funda is simple. Stop your iteration by num by 2. Whatever value you give, num is 11. 11 by 2. Mathematically, 11 by 2. 5.5. If I check mathematically, programmatically in integer, then I will stop at story over. If I will start from 2, go till 5. Here, if it is not divisible by any number, then it will never be divisible. Are you getting my point, everybody? Sure? Shall I wipe the board? Sir, in that case, suppose if at all, number is given as 7. In that case, where should we start from? Given any number, we will start always one step ahead of 1. Because 1 is divisible by every number. Agree? Buddy, you come front. Take your chair belongings, padafat. So we will always start 1 ahead of the first number. Agree? We'll start always from 2. How long should we go? We should go 7 by 2. 7 by 2 is 3.5. We will stop somewhere here. We will check 2 and 3. Is it divisible? Then it is a. Are you getting my point? Say example 6 is there. This time I take 6 now. This time we will start from, let it be any number, we always start from 2. How long will we go? Will 3. Okay. 2 and 3. Is it divisible by 2? Not a prime number. If it is divisible by any number, not a prime number. Are you getting my point? Everybody, if anywhere it is divisible, immediately stop it. I don't even need to go check further. See, in the case of counter, what is happening? Irrespective whether it is divisible, not divisible, I am starting from 1 or 2 and going till the end. If it is somewhere divisible, stop. Why are you doing further? If it is divisible by any number in between, even one number it is divisible by, why are you still doing it? It is not a prime number anymore, right? Even if it is, we have understood it's not a prime number. Just for sake of satisfaction, let's go till the last number. Why do you want to have one more iteration? Lesser the iteration, faster the execution will be there. Agree, na? Agree. So better if at all execution happen. I mean, divisibility has checked. If there is no remainder, that means fully divisible. Immediately stop. It is not a prime number. Am I making sense? So can I start? Chaliye. I am taking one variable, say Boolean is prime, which I am initializing with initially. I am saying it is not a prime number, considering whatever number you give. I start the iteration from Huh? I'll start the iteration from I equal to, how long should I go? I should go less than num by then incremented. Agree? What is the condition I have to check, sir? I have to check the condition if at all num is divisible by I double equal to 0. If this condition is satisfied, first thing, you set is prime is false already. That's great. And immediately say done. Am I clear? If of is prime, if this condition is true, then what will I say? Arey yaar, bolo na. Then I will say it's a prime number, else it is not a prime number. Shall we check the condition properly once again? Ready? Very good, buddy. Thank you, Viresh. Now pay attention what we are saying. Say let's take any number which you recommend, not more than 200. Pardon? 7, huh? Chaliye. Somebody said let's take the number, a prime number 7. We are always, one variable is called is prime, that is said to be okay, sir. Another variable I have taken I equal to 2, sir. I'm starting from 2. 2 less or equal to num by 2. Num value is 7 by 2. Answer is actually 3. Agree? So 2 is less than condition. In that case, num value is mod of 2. Is there any remainder? If remainder is there, shall we get in? No. If it is not there, step out. Move forward. What? Wait a minute. Didn't we write the else part only? Always we are going with this only. Else part. No, actually we should do vice versa. 1 minute. I'll do simple for you. If it is not divisible, then we can set to true, then again false. Why it is required? Choro. With this also we can continue, na? That is what I'm thinking, buddy. Wait a minute. If it is set to be not equal to 0, if it is not equal to 0, not equal to 0 means some remainder is there, then it is prime or not prime? Any number which is not fully divisible. Are you getting my point? So is it supposed to be prime number or not a prime number still? अरे यार तुम लोग आधे लोग not prime, आधे लोग prime. Understand? Say, pay attention. 7 is there. From 2 to somewhere we go. So rather than 7, I take the bigger number. Say 13 is there. Agree? So we will check how many numbers from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose this 13 is divisible by this number, fully divisible. Then is it a prime number? It is not a prime number. If it is not divisible, then it is a prime number, right? That's what I'm saying. If it is not divisible, then I'm saying what? I am considering is prime equals to true. Else part. If at all somewhere it got divisible, then else part what I'm saying is, then I'm saying two things. One is the prime equals to false, and most important, I'll put a break because I don't need to check in further. Shall we check now conditions? And I will take the 13 value only, bigger value I want. 13 by 2, 6 only, mathematically 6.5, but programmatically 6, right? I start I value is 2. Agree. 2 less than 6, condition true, get it. What is the num value right now? Num value Okay, sir. 13 mod of condition, false or true? Is it equal to 0? Not equal to 0. That means condition is true. I am saying is prime equal to, I'll take another variable, is prime equal to true. Am I clear? Some remainder is left over. Condition is true. One remainder is there. Condition is true. I said the is prime equal to true. After that, I'll not go to the else part. And this is the end of the for loop. I'll get back to increment the I to 3. 3 less than 6. Condition true. Get in num mod 3. Any remainder left over? One remainder is there. If one remainder is there, condition, I said the is prime is equal to, once again whatever was there, I kept it true. Agree na? After that, will I go to else part? I'll go increment the I2. Now 4 less than 6. Then num mod 4. Will there be any remainder? One remainder will be the condition. In that case, is prime equal to set 2. Done. Once again, I will be incremented to 5 less than 6. If condition is true, num mod 5. How much remainder left over? वाह वाह, कर लो बेटा, कैलकुलेशन कर लो तुम लोग अच्छे से, बताओ. ओपन कैलकुलेटर. 13 by 5. पक्का? हाँ. 13 by 5 remainder is 3, which is a non-zero value. Done. Again, is prime is set to, once again set to true, sir. Agree? Moving forward, I will be incremented to. So 6 less than 6 condition. Story over. Condition false. Step out. Is the prime. What is the value of is prime right now? If condition is true, it's a prime number. Am I clear? Let me take another number, which is a prime number. Shall I start with the prime number? 8. See, this time I'll start considering. Okay, na? So num divided by 2 will become. Done. I'll start from. So I value is set to be. Initially it is. Agree? Now 2 less than 7 condition. 7 mod, sorry, 15 mod 7. Any remainder is there? How much? Pakka. Non-zero value. Condition set to be. It became true, sir. Done. Moving forward, I'll go and increment the value of I2. 3 less than 7. Condition true. Num mod 3. Any remainder? Both the answer are wrong. Think again and answer. 15 mod 3. Completely divisible. Chalo, thank God. Then is it equal? Is it not equal to 0? No, it is already 0, right? Condition failed. Then I'll go where? Else part. First thing is equal to. And the next thing you said what? Break will not bring out only of the if. It will bring out entire control construct. Hope you remember. Entire control construct. Step out and then if of false. If of. What is the value of is prime here? If of false, then not a prime number. Understood the logic? For a prime number, first thing, where are you starting? Where are you stopping? Before n by 2 itself. Story over. Simple logic. If you remember this much, more than enough. And many students go till this one. They'll go till the num. Okay, na? And if at all interviewer asks, further optimize, they will not be able to understand what you should stop somewhere in between. Bonus point will be there if you say divide by 2. Very important logic. Ensure you always do the calculation of prime number till the half of the given number only. After that, you don't need to do it at all. Am I making sense to each one of you? Agree. Ideally, this should be num less or equal to. Check. Say 12 is given. 12, no one. 4, 7, 8, 6, 9, 20. I want a prime number. Thank you. Don't worry. Make a note of the program. Or shall we practically implement? Shall I implement? Sure. So if you want to have a pick or something, yesterday as you were, whomever has tasted, thank you for that person. Who's that person? Shane Udgi. Be active, man. Shall I wipe the board? Online folks, comfortable with the prime number? Online folks, quickly confirm. Thank you, guys. Moving forward, what is the next number? Brilliant. This number I expect you to give a try. Shall I move? Let me quickly complete the program of prime number.
ம்.
சி அரிசிய
EH plus KH. சுகேஷ் பாத்ரூம்ல இருக்கா? ஓ மேடம். ஆ.
Audible now? Am I audible? Hello? Echo is there. Better now? Is it better? Shall we start now? Where is everybody? Thank you. Keep updating me like this if any issue is there. So we were discussing about highest common of given two numbers. Right? Say A. Agree? One number I say 12, second I say. Am I right? If I need to find factors of these numbers, can you please help me? That's all? Yes, sir. By the way, shall I need to write star? I should not be writing star. No, sir. Over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8. Read. What are the common numbers? That's all. Am I right? Logic wise, what should be? Six into 3 into 2 into 1, print it. Start from which number? A number or B number? As common factor means I have to print 1, 2, 3, 6. Am I right? Agree na? Let's start building the logic. I is greater than 12. After that, into A modulus by I equals to 0 and B modulus by I. I is greater than A. Then you are taking one. HCF, how can you calculate for one number of common factors? For common factors, how many variables are you taking? Two variables have taken. Then for loop I am taking one. For loop I have taken say I variable. Then I equals to 1. I is greater than A. And I plus. If it is greater than A, you are starting from 30. A equals to 1. Or loop you started in I equal to 1, you said, then I should be greater than A. I less than I less. You are telling greater than, right? I should be less than A. Go on, you are going good now. Just the wrong name you are telling. You are telling greater than, actually it is supposed to be less than. Then apart from this. Then starting with before coming to the class, have a cup of tea or coffee, then come to the class. Right? Next level के short में रहता है भाई correct. Next. Anna was telling the Lord. If A modulus by I and B modulus by I. Why are you giving only till A? You can get only common factors. You have to get only common factors. Why not B after? B is greater than A. How do you know that, Ra? What if I have given this as? Then you should take. Then you will change the logic comment. You will check what is the input given and then come and change the code. You have to come now. What you thought, whichever is the smallest, till that we have to. Thought process is what? Whichever the smallest input, till that number we have to go. How to identify? By the way, is it a right thought process? If a number says this of 12, and there is no point after start calculation 13, 14, 15, because nothing will be common between them. Agree? 12 onwards, if you are looking for common factors, you are fool only. Because here there is no common factor will come in 12. Agree, na? Yes, sir. This is clear? It's better to stop at the smaller number only. Then first check. If A is less than B, then I'll go for A. Next. We can use not very slow. No, whatever word you said. I'll come there and slap me. First of all, I can't hear. On top of that, you are talking. Yes, madam. Right. That much is not required. Yeah. Simple. Logic simple. Let me help you with this. Shall I? Anybody else want to give a try online? Let me listen. Your logic. We have to stop proceeding further once we cross either of the smaller number. Once we reach to the smaller number, stop the discussion. Any logic from your end? Online go faster. If I is therefore equal to or and or and other people pay attention. I is less than B, then which means what? I is less than A as well as B. If one of the conditions is 13, we have this. 13, what will happen? This condition will. Yes or no? This condition will become false. Of course, we will stop it. Agree? Whichever number is smaller will be generating false path. Agree, na? Story over. Agree? Does that make sense? Yes, sir. Now next, what is do I need to check if at all? If at all, is mod of and Pakka and B mod of I. If this condition is satisfied, then HCF is equal to SOP of I space that's here we will tell HCF of A, comma B are as story over. Did you understand what all happening, guys? First half is this much. Second half is this much. Agree? This one condition and this is the other one. Agree? Now pay attention. Consider A is given 12, B is given. Shall I start? And consider I am starting calculation of I starting from 1. I is 1. A is how much? A is 12. B is 8. Now here also they say 12. Here also they say 8. Done? Shall I proceed now? Pay attention. 1 less or equal to 12 condition. And 1 is less or equal to 18 condition. In that case, 12 mod of 1. Are we gonna take this much time for 12 mod 1? All Pentium 4. You heard Pentium 4? What are the processors you are using these days? बताइए हम लोग Java developers है भाई साहब platform independent developers है which processor are you using in your computer? भाई साहब not ping वाला नहीं बुलाया किसी ने Intel processor you are using in Intel so many are there. I'm asking which one? I mean half of the world is using Intel only here. You tell in Intel which one? I3, Anybody? I not nobody. Less than that, less than I think. Previous processors. Core to dual core. Hard processor name. Core to dual core. Earlier, multiple core were not there. Dual core was not there. Only one was there. In that versions were there. P4, P1, P2, P3. P4 was the slowest. Slowest processor. When we were in college days, I remember we used to write C programs, write the code, and there was a first you have to compile Alt F9 while executing Control F9, right? You give Alt F9, let's go for a break. It will take time, good amount of time. Printing hello. As input io.h, ponyo.h, main method, printer, hello. Compile, it will take minimum 3 to 4 minutes to compile. If there is an error, fix the error, come back, recompile. Complete one program, whole day will go. P4, Pentium. बताओ भैया 12 mod 1 18 mod 1 then print I value right now 1. Agree now?
Yes, sir.
Now I have implemented 2.
2.
Okay, sir. In that case, 2 is less than 12. Wrong. 2 is less than 3. In that case, 12 mod 2. 18 mod 2. Then print. Done, sir. Then I became
3.
okay, sir. 3 is less than 12 condition. 3 is less than 18. In that case, 12 mod 3. 18 mod 3. Print. 3. Print. Then increment 2. 4 less than 12. 4 less than 18. 12 mod 4. 18 mod 4. आप देखो 0 भी बोल रहे हैं आप. What is the remainder left over?
2.
So this is not correct, right? Then print. Don't print. Then increment I2. Okay, sir. 5 less than 12. 5 less than 18. In that case, 12 mod 5 equal to 0. Condition false. Step out. Agree. Then increment I. 6 less than 12. 6 less than 18. 12 mod 6 0. 18 mod 6 0. Print. Then increment I2. Okay, sir. Then 7 less than 12 condition. 7 less than 6 condition. In that case. Story. Then increment 2. Okay, sir. 8 less than or equal to 12. 8 less or equal to 18. 12 mod. Not done. One more thing. Did you observe? Why are we going till A or B? Can't we say? Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Why are we going further to the half only? Because after half, directly that number will come. That number will come. 12 also. That's what I'm saying. That number also needs to be required. So we cannot put reason. The same thing what madam has asked. What if I give number 12 and 24? In that case, over here, 12 also should come. So 12 is also common factor, na? भैया कोई समस्या नहीं है यही कर. Always will don't optimize for that. Or we'll do batch work after that. Print 12 for me, sake of satisfaction. Chaliye, shall I move? By the way, can I expect you understood the logic of highest common factor? Pakka, one very simple guys. How long should we need to traverse? Till the time both are less. I mean, are you remember our iterator counter is less than both? Then only we will go. If you cross one of them, of course, common factor will not be found. Agree?
Yes, sir.
No, speak. If it is divisible by one number completely and divisible by second number completely, then only print it as not printed. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I practically write it? Shall I practically write it or can you try? You try by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
If you want me to type and show you, I can. Or can you handle?
Yes, sir.
If anybody needs, let me know. Can you handle?
Yes, sir.
Super confident?
Yes, sir.
Chaliye. L, C, M.
Please
Please, na full form I know. Full form very good and full form. Applications don't worry about it. Except done. I'll be with L. फटाफट बताओ. Like a very good student, tell me what is LCM. Logic. Very good. Next.
Take a multiplication of all the common factors and multiply by the average.
Very good. Others. There is a formula of LCM and HCM. LCM equal to LCM is equal to HCM of A comma B divided by LCM. Are you getting my point? Understood? Can you try to write the code for the same? I'll give you one day time. HCF you are 100% sure?
Yes, sir.
LCM logic is there. Try. If you can't do it, ऊपर नीचे है भाई लॉजिक देख लेना यार. You are mathematician ना. A into B divided by LCS. यार तुम लोग शब्दों पे मत जाओ, भावनाओं को समझो यार. हाँ? HCF of A into B. Done. Correct. 20-30 years of study there. हो गई हमारी उम्र. No. Can I say you will give a try to this?
Yes, sir.
By the way, in case of LCM, see in case of LCM 1, 2, 3, 4 can write now. In case of LCM, how many numbers will come?
Only one.
Pakka na? In case of LCM, how many numbers will come? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Can you give a try by yourself? Then we will see. So, by the way, we have printed common factors, all of them, not the highest common factor. Na? They are, why are you doing all this then? Don't do it correct. Sorry, I made a mistake. Don't keep printing all the numbers. Then what should we do, sir? Let's make a variable in HCF lowercase. HCF equal to 0 initially. Here I'm still saying what? Here assigned by how I print SOP of HCF story over. Highest common factor is what? Common in between both? Yes, and it is the biggest number. 6 is the answer. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Here if I will say HCF of A and B, say 12 and 18, then answer is 8. This is A into B, 12 into 18. 12 into 18, 36, 18. Am I right? 2, 1. This is the answer. Again, somewhere what? B and then the. Am I right? Give a try now. Can you try? LCM is equal to A into B divided by HCF of that. How do you call this HCF? Will you wanna write once again HCF logic in that LCM program? Listen what I'm saying. I'm not purposely doing it LCM. I want to give a chance to you. Everything I explained, how to calculate the LCM. Are you clear? All are clear? Pakka? Simple funda. I hate till both the numbers are met or not. Conditions are clear to you. Keep considering the value of I into one variable LCM. At the end, whatever the value of HCF is there, that will be our highest common factor. Agree? And what you need to do? Calculate A into B divided by whatever the answer of HCF is coming. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now this one, if I need to get the HCF of given two numbers, Will you write once again the method of HCF in LCM program?
Yes.
This is what you need to find. I don't want you to write once again the same method. Copy paste, don't do it. You need to learn something, how to call method from a different class. Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
I am not getting good, but I don't know. Huh? You'll try at least.
Yes, sir.
You can't do it, I'll anyway do it. Or you want to try now only? You'll give a try now. Pay attention. Two programs will be there. Else. One program for HCF calculation. With this logic, main method is there. Get HCF, this method is there. Two numbers have you have passed it. One number will be written as the highest common factor. Done.
Yes, sir.
This much is clear. This is our HCF program. LCM program what? In the LCM program, we have to evaluate HCF also, right? In that case, in this program of HCF, there is a method, get HCF. You need to call it from this. That you need to learn. Give a try, LCM. We'll start with LCM tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Can I write the board? No, take a note. Factorial of a number. How many approaches you are aware? What is that? If you already wrote one. Oh. If you read the question number 27. Question number 27. Reversible. You have a communication class today, right?
Yeah.
All the weekly people. Ensure you don't miss that. Our video. You have no choice. Maybe. Shall I proceed with the next program? One of yet another super popular interview question. Find factorial of a given number. Then we start
Yes, sir.
checking. By the way, total 3 approaches are there. 2 I will tell. First and third I will tell. One of them you will guess. Second. Okay, now? So let me talk about first and second approach. Alright, here please. One approach says, say number is given as 5. Okay, now? I will calculate starting from 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Am I right? Other approach is, if number is given as 5, for this, if I need to find out the factorial, then I will tell what? I'll start calculating from 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into. Able to understand? By the way, correct. Thank you, correct. Viraj for correcting, buddy. Chaliye. One is a decrementing approach. I'm starting from the given number till. Other one is an incrementing approach. I'm starting from 1 goes till given number. Agree? And doing what? Keep multiplying. Agree? So one is decrementing approach, one is incrementing. One I will tell, second you will try. Which one should I try? Decrement or increment? I'll try with this approach. Say, first variable I have taken what? Favorite variable. Done. Agree? In that case, first thing, I will start my iteration from int I is equal to 5. I is equal to 5. I is equal to 5. How do you know the value of 5? Now, p less or equal to less or equal to I must be 0. 0 ना चलो अब तो ठीक है people also agree plus about the compiler then wait I am taking one variable am I right? One. What is the problem if I take 0? Why? Arrest. Very good. We are talking about during multiplication. Blunder if you take 0, na? Answer will be always. So, what is the calculation, sir? Whatever factorial is there, whatever factorial variable we have taken, that factorial variable should be multiplied by the decrementing value of transporting. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And can I say that's it? Story over.
It is the
SOP of
Korean.
or return the factorial number or whatever you want to do it. Agree, na? Say I will print it for time. Agree? The funda. That is the value, numbers, everything proper.
Yeah.
Let's take a variable called num equal to 5, back equal to 1, I equal to 0, 1, 4, 5. I'm starting with 5. Done. Shall I put it down?
Yes, sir.
Num value is what we have taken, sir, as of now.
5.
5. Num value is 5. Then over here it is 5. Here it is 0. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. 5 greater than 0 condition. The condition 2 I'm telling fact is already 5 I is 5 into 1. 1 into 5. Then fact is finished as well. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Then moving forward. I becomes 4. Now you tell me, is 4 greater than 0? Condition 2. Fact already value is I value is time 5 into 4 will be stored in. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Then after this I will be 3. 3 greater than 0 condition. In that case, fact current value 20 into 3 becomes stored in. Fact became 60. After this, fact became 2 is greater than 0 condition. Fact current value I value 60 into 2. It is stored in. Fact became okay, sir. I will be incremented to 1 greater than 0 condition. In that case, fact current value 120 into becomes fact has been initialized with. After this, I have been decremented to condition. 0 condition for that part of this for to print. That is easy. Sure. करते करते जाएगा ऐसे थोड़ी है गलत लोगों में हाथ पकड़ के लिखवा आ जाओ गड़ब you're trying it is important which color do you like Wait, I'll write that code. What you should do, point this. As of now, what I have done, I have started with the given number and keep incrementing till that greater than greater than 0. This time, what you should do, you should start with 1 and go till 4. Right? Be brave. Come on. Others you will write your own checking notebook for incrementing. You write the recursion. Those who are done with increment, write the recursion. Complete this one, do and another product complete and go to recursion. Very good, very good. Let it. You have got multiply that with some number, right? It should be initialized with 0. Think I might be wrong. मेरा काम है आपको distract करना. While multiplying, you should be initializing with 0. Or my job is to distract you. Then write down. हो गया? Thank you. Done everybody similar logic? Pakka? Shall I write the code or can you handle it? Pakka? Bhaiya, one mistake. Common mistake. Recommended thing from my side. Say for example, what rather than SOP, if you are returning the factorial. If you are returning the factorial number, although it is not that critically important, but you heroes are there in interview, so will start acting super smart and all for them on there. Say for example, I am writing with the public static. See, if you are taking void, that is the same as well. If you are taking void, what will you do? Factorial in the method, say example. Agree na? Yes. Of int na. Agree. If it is void, you will print it. Agree? Safest is keep the data type, return type as void and print it. Else, I am saying don't print it here. Then I have to do what? Return fact, right? Data type of fact is what? This is not good. You should be taking. Reason 10 का factorial बोलो 25 का factorial बोलो 25 into 24 into 23 into 22 into 20. That will become a huge number which goes beyond the range of integers. That's why fact should be taken as long, returned also as. Although this is not a so big issue, but if really you want to what do you call have a fight with you, these are the reasons interviewer will say, oh, wrong logic, reject because of these. Although this long return time and all has nothing to do with this one. Agree na?
Yes, sir.
But be aware. Shall I proceed now? Any idea about recursion approach? Speech. आप just रुक जाएगा. चलेगा even if it is long whatever. Recursion logic, those who have any ideas, start. Done? Very good, buddy. Viresh. Super. This one, this is better. Viresh also has a little glitch. Okay. Anybody else? Those who have no idea, na, relax that. Let these people try. You will learn smoothly. अरे यार चलो 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 pass. See, we don't even know what is recursion. Why do we need to worry? Relax. That's serious. Divan, क्या branch? Bro, both of you, क्या branch?
Yes.
Both. Recursion heard. Heard. Heard it, sir. Madam. Recursion. ना बोलो सी ना बोल रहा है why actually you're right. I was just believing you that can I back the board
Yes.
check and any one more person was waiting over there na factorial program you wrote recursion you're supposed to show na I just asked you you showed me just अरे यार मैं actually अलग ही dude what you I need this these are the logic na I think with me or what keep on decrementing how when what is the terminating condition then that is also fine but are you using recursion or what no I overlooked it so simple super important program is that I expect you to focus now because in interview the moment you write a factorial logic 90% chances interviewer will say I don't like it I want recursion 90% chances and factorial is one of the popular questions because of recursion so all of you close your notebooks फटाफट 10 minutes undivided attention we have time ना अरे यार जिंदगी पर टाइम ही नहीं है यार बस बाकी सब बढ़िया है 7 minutes are there time to show within 15 minutes also करना till 9:30 I can take class anybody has a problem so if you have a problem that's your problem I'll take class continue you continue both are what's going on I saw you talking you only that what are you looking at so anyway this cannot be done we can discuss but I will eat up your breakfast and next is people like a series that is also big programs are there to explain big things chronic retinoitis leaders chronic all of them are because chalo enjoy I अब वो भी 5 मिनट में नहीं होने वाला ना जितने भी लॉजिक बचे सब गुड अबाउट first time to explain XOR calculation then we will talk about with XOR चलो enjoy करो आज और क्या कल शुरू करते हैं we 3 people each one of you ensure there is a very important session scheduled right after this class don't miss it whenever any instruction is given ensure you follow the instructions don't run away from the following instructions you will get into the problems Like recently some drivers happened and few people name is came as defaulters. I am not telling whomever's name is there, they have done mistake or they are doing some malpracticing. But might be some background noise is coming. Like now we are taking class, bam, bam, boom, boom, happening. Traffic noise is continuously coming. Agree? Here it is fine. Where I used to be there in COVID time when I used to take class, every day, early morning, that bird will come and sit next to my balcony. And but is it a noise? Yes. Whatever device the guide used, as per that device, there is some background noise. And background noise in interviews is not allowed. Reason. It is considered somebody is telling you the answer you are submitting. That is the reason background noise is not. If you are switching the tab, not allowed, you are chatting. So these are few basic things that nobody else should be visible in the video set. You must be visible. You should not be looking here and there. You should be looking at the screen. There are few conditions. Every company follow their own approach. They have found few people not meeting their requirement. Might be some dog was barking. What can I do? Helpless. God didn't want you to get into this now. Wait, Google is coming. Simple. What else can I say? Neither you have a control on the dog, and don't expect me to come and control your dogs. Happened. Don't be bad. Let's prepare for the next interview. Are you getting out of interviews? For 20 days, vlogs. After 20 days, are you allowed? And you tell me, how many of your job within 20 days I'll get the job for? Nahin na. Point is, we just not started. We are making progress day by day. Give me a couple of months time, then only you'll be able to perform something. As of now, what groups feature have we learned? Apart from definition. If I ask, can I mark up a static panel and stuck together? Yes or no? You have no clue at all. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What static, what final, what aspect, we have no idea at all. What is the point of attending an interview? I mean, I am not restricting anybody to attend an interview. I am not demotivating or disencouraging. You are interested to attend, most welcome, you are allowed to attend. But as per me, first you learn something, perform better. Once you become a little bit confident in some areas, then you go for it. Reason. There is no big deal just for names of you go for an interview. And biggest mistake any beginner does during job seeking is they get too emotionally attached with one of the company. A driver came and they have decided, this is my karma. I will get this job no matter what. God has created me to work in this company. This package is very good. I will definitely work into it. In by mistake, that company is MNC. I want to become TCS employee in Jira. They are giving 2 lakhs. Still, TCS is TCS. I'll join TCS. And if at all you are Kannadiga, Infosys. Oh, Karnataka knows what is Infosys all about. Everybody is so fond of Mr. Narayan. Infosys is the dream. I want Infosys. I mean, say Brahma Vishnu is born for reason, right? I'm born for Infosys. By mistake, they have written client cert opportunities there. Those who are not even joined the batch, they are still attending demo session. I am born for this on-site job only. Don't get this much emotional with the job. People who get so much attached with one opening, if they can't crack it, they'll be demotivated a lot. They'll be really deeply hurt emotion. Yeah, attend interview. You prepare everything well, whatever you are studying. One interview came. I am meeting the criteria. Go attend interview. Give your best shot, honestly. If you can clear it, great. If not, is it the last interview? Is that we stand for you telling if you can't crack one interview, don't come to us? Or are we telling you? Fail every interview, no problem. We are here to give you as many as you want. We are telling that. Even if you fail, no problem. Don't feel bad. Don't get demotivated. Don't get disappointed. Series of interviews will be like that. If you fail in one interview, no issue. Next interview is like that. Don't get emotionally attached with one company, one of your seniors.
She has an interview today. Whole night she didn't sleep. I am 100%. Sir, what to do this topic? Sir, what to do this topic? One night before, if you panic this much, what will you perform tomorrow, boss? One night before is the time to sleep well. Whatever preparation could have been done, earlier should have been. One night before, do the revision for a couple of hours, have ample amount of sleep and come for it. Something lead to it. Whatever I could do, I have done before. Within one night, you cannot learn anything from. Nobody. Sleep much. Don't try to do it. You have learned few things, be thorough into that, go for it. Don't panic unnecessarily. If you can't crack one or two interviews, nobody is gonna come and shoot you for that. Agree na? So relax, attend it. And if you are blocked for few days, how many weeks? 2-3 weeks, right? 2-3 weeks. And in these 2-3 weeks, what all topic would have been completed by myself? Hardly 1 or 2 topics. Probability is still quite less. Because we have arranged straight then loops will. Unless you complete bare with oops expectation, you must know oops as a Java developer. Agree? That will take more than time to complete. No loss has happened to you. Clear? It's okay. Happen. Next time onwards, when you are at an interview, be in a very silent room, focus clearly, attend sincere. That's all. Clear? Yes, sir. Don't worry. Happens. Shall I wind up the session now? I'll show you attendance, mark your attendance. People, please don't scan the attendance. Just all of you scan your attendance and make. फटाफट काउंट करो 1 2 4 5 6 1 2 direct 4 go there 1 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 14 15
17, 18,
19
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 35, 36.
those who are not scanning, let me tell you one thing. I may be keep changing this scanner. Now you scan. Okay, done for the day. Able to scan? Kalyani, tonight before going to bed, put your phone into a 1 glass of water or a tissue. Sure. So many that's what is online folks. Okay, fine. And please, if instruction is given, don't try to bypass those instructions by doing proxy attendance of your friends or something else. Don't do all this. You will be in a deep trouble. Management is super strict with all the rules. Why do you have to make it problem? Chalo, done for the day. Tata. Tata. You don't still remember. You haven't learned it till now. Tata. See you. See you next session. That is what